Hi, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to put your Volkswagen's wipers into service mode. So this allows you to access your wipers and change them or scrape ice off of underneath them if it's the winter, and just a good trick to know that's super simple. So all you have to do is take your key, put it in your ignition, turn it into the first click position, turn it back off, and then go up to your wiper stalk and pull it down. And now your windshield wipers will be in the service position. To get your windshield wipers back to their normal position, simply click the key on and then press up the windshield wiper stalk like you're turning on your wipers. And the wipers will turn on, and then as soon as you turn your wipers back into the off position, they'll settle back down as normal. That's it for this video. Volkswagen definitely made it easy enough to get your wipers into that service position. Feel free to like this video if you liked it, subscribe for more videos on Mark V Volkswagens, and just thank you for watching, and I hope you stick around for the next one. Take care.